Alrighty, quite a bit going on at the moment on Rollercoin with Golden Hour, and that is the burning event that is going on right now. And we also have at the same time the progression event called Endless Summer. Let's check them both out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's jump right into it. On my screen here, you can see the games section of Rollercoin, and this is the Endless Summer progression event that just started yesterday. And also, we do have the Burning event, which is under the event section here. So we're going to start off with the progression event first and then go on to the Burning event. So, Endless Summer progression event. You can see here that I'm on my way to get that 1 petahash for 7-day temporary bonus. If we go to more details, we can see that at the time of recording this video, there is just under 2 days remaining, 1 day, 21 hours and 59 minutes. So you've got practically another 2 days. You've got until next Thursday, 3 p.m. UTC time to be able to complete all of the event and get all of those rewards. The quests here in this one, to get to a higher difficulty level of game, you'll get 500 points. If when you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in the crafting offer, you'll be getting 1000 points. And if you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, it's 100 points. And if you spend 1 RLT for the crafting offer, again, this is 5000 points. So pay attention to those crafting offers, and all these points are without any sort of multiplier. So if you do actually get a multiplier by exchanging some of your crypto to RLT, then you will be getting more points, and you'll need to multiply depending on the multiplier that you have. To get a ×1 multiplier for this progression event, that will cost 10 RLT. And remember to take advantage of those discounts that are going on. So at the moment, if we go here, we can see that there is a 25% discount on Dodge. Okay, so do try and take advantage of that so you can get more RLT, more multiplier for spending less crypto. So, like I always like to do, I am going to go to the list that Piero kindly provides with every progression event so we can check out the list of rewards. So here we are. This is a 16 level progression event, and starting from the top, you can see that here you can get some RLT with 0.15 RLT for 2000 points. And then going down the list, you can see there are a couple of miners. So we've got the ASIC bit miner there, 4000 points. You get some RST in this one as well, 50 RST at level 3, and another 100 RST at level 6. You can see that at level 4 there is that temporary bonus, the 1 petahash for 14 days that I am trying to currently achieve myself. There's a treasure hunter miner at level 5 with 94.5 terahash, but there's no bonus attached to that. The money maker at level 7, that gives you a 1% bonus if you don't already have that miner, and 270 terahash. Remember, for the bonus to count and for the power to count, obviously you need to place the miner in your room on your racks. There's also the festive rack 8 at level 8, with a rack bonus of 7%, and all the miners that you place on that rack will become 7% more powerful. Cha-Cha-Chiwi, haven't seen this one before, 666 terahash with 1% bonus. Crypto Combo, 677.3 terahash with 1.5% bonus, and there's the Iced Out Cream at level 11, which is the uncommon variant, and that is 918 terahash with a 2.1% bonus. Kepri, level 12, 0.3% bonus, but 950 terahash as well. Another 950 terahash here for the Luminous Pulse at level 13, and that also has a 1.66% bonus attached to it. Now, here we get some more bonus power at level 14 with Sugar Melon, which will give you 4% bonus and 750 terahash. And we've got 2 Palm Pilots, 1 common and 1 uncommon at level 15 and 16 respectively, with the one at level 15 giving you 2.6 petahash almost, well, let's call it 2.6, and 1.5% bonus. And the uncommon Palm Pilot, which is the last and most powerful miner that you can get in this progression event at level 16 with 6.8 petahash and 4.5% bonus power attached to it as well. All in all, this progression event will give you 14.7 petahash total miner power if you manage to get all of the rewards. 17.56% minus bonus power if you manage to get all of them. You've got that 1 petahash temporary bonus, and you've got 150 RST that you can spend in the season store, merge those parts, and create even more powerful miners. So that is it for this progression event, and those are the list of rewards. Remember, you've got until Thursday until 3 p.m. UTC time. Okay, now let's go on to the burning event. So for the burning event called Golden Hour, we have 7 levels as progression at the very top here. Okay, starting off here with 1,000 points. Now to get these 1,000 points, you will get also 1,000 D-coins when you burn a miner that is 120 terahash in power. So for every 120 terahash per second of miner power that you burn, you'll get 1,000 E-coins, meaning that you'll immediately get the first one, which is going to give you 38 terahash. Okay, you might say, I'm not going to burn 120,000 just to get that, but you do also get points. Okay, so you're going to get 1,000 D-coins and you're going to get 1,000 points for this, and the 1,000 D-coins that you get, you'll be able to spend in the burning shop. When you start accumulating those enough, you'll start buying miners here as well, okay? So if you don't have these miners, you can get them. If you manage to accumulate 150,000 of those points, you'll get the Sunset Forge right here, which is going to give you 5.85 petahash. Going back to the event, we can see that the most powerful miner in this burning event here needs 100,000 points. So that will also almost give you the chance to get the most powerful miner from the burning shop that I just showed you, that Sunset Forge. If we click on this, we can see that this is the GT Aminator. This can be sold, so you can potentially buy it from the marketplace as well, and it'll give you 660 terahash in power. So this is the burning event. For each burn that you do, that will take 1 hour. You will see your points here, your E-coins here, and remember that for each 5% of miner bonus percent that you burn, so you can accumulate them with the miners that you burn, you will get an extra 1,000 points. So that will help you build up the progression here even faster, okay? What I do recommend is that obviously if you already have these miners, which most of them I already have, then it might not be totally worth it for you. However, if you do have loads of miners in your inventory, especially the miners that can't be sold, I would burn them here unless you're planning on merging them, okay? Some of them you might merge and say, I'm not going to get much anyway out of the merge if I do that, so let's just go ahead and burn them and maybe get something better that you might be able to sell as well. So be sure to take these little tips and tricks into consideration because they can definitely help you. Like I said, each burn takes 1 hour and you can do a maximum of 6 miners burning in that 1 hour. So that is pretty much it for this one. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.